tied down.
Marks and Spencer's.
Yes, Marks and Spencer's. It had everything in it. My pension, all my cash, everything. Please help.
Yes, of course. Let me take your details.
No, I want to see a female police constable.
I promise you, I'm fully qualified and have a very gentle temperament.
No, it has to be a woman.
But I...
She's a nun! Yes, I'm a nun. Yes, I've taken vows, so I can't be with a man, any man.
Ay, may playground. Yes.
My date for today.
Hey. So, saan tayo ba?
Sa loob. Go. David. Saan?
Wala lang other service na tayong gagawin.
May gusto ka ba? Raw?
Yeah, yes, marami na lang. Ano bang meron doon?
Hearthstone. One retake is...
Ah, layo ka pa ng konti? Ano? Hindi natin magagawa yun.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay na ba? Like, paano?
Anong sunod? Di ko na kasi alam anong sunod. Pipili ka, may makeup meron.
Wala na. No filter, skip.
Skip.
Skip mo na lang.
Auto shooting.
Yan, 10 seconds lang yan. Ulit. Oh, sakit.
Look here. Remaining time, 5
Pierce.
seconds. Ano yun? Next girl!
Uy! Dali!
Next.
Love you, ganito!
Ano? Next. Yan, okay. Pwede daw mag-relate ng isang beses.
Sige. Anong babaguhin natin?
Lahat, except...
Ito lang part na to.
Hindi tayo compose.
Ah, cute!
Retake. Ay, kayo. Ano galit?
Ay, sabi sa'yo mga pwede yan.
Kasi alam ko, hindi ka compose.
Oo.
Wala na, epic. Sana? Creating video daw.
Kailangan ko nang pa-adjust.
Ow. The photo is currently being printed. Tinapon. Ito, nandito ba? Kunin natin. Kunin mo si. Para pakita ko sa video. Yan. Ang cute, di ba? Oh.